cd click on file, choose new project, give the name and path, and before giving source and target you need to add the global settings in that drivers. Those are Microsoft SQL and Postgres. You can get those drivers from AWS documentation for SCT. You can install those JDBC drivers. Scroll down, click on this JDBC drivers. Now select the Microsoft SQL. Click on this link. It will redirect. Now click on the first link. A zip file will be downloaded. Go back to select the Postgres. Click on it. The JDBC jar file is downloaded for Postgres. Go to this SQL and unzip this folder. I have them downloaded previously, so I'm deleting the old one. You can just extract like this. Yeah, now come to SCT. Here, browse the drivers. Choose it from downloads. So select the file. Go to jars and select the jr11.jar file for Microsoft SQL. For Postgres, browse, click on browse and select the jar file that is downloaded before. Which is in downloads. Yeah, select that file. Click on apply. Yeah, and then click on OK. Now drivers are added. Now you're ready to add source and the target. Click on add source. Choose Microsoft SQL and next give the server name, which is IP or endpoint address and port, and thereafter username, and also the give connection name as of your choice. SQL source, yeah. Give username and password, and then test the connection, accept the risk, and continue. If everything is enabled, yeah, it is successful. Click on connect and click on accept the risk. Yeah, it is initializing. Source is added. Now click on target, choose Aurora Postgres, and click on next. Here you need to give the details. Give connection name of your choice. PSQL target. Give server name, which is RDS endpoint. Let me get that from the console. This is not. Yeah, here is the console. Yeah, copy this endpoint, paste it over here. Port, default port, and the database name is test underscore db in my case. And database is already created here in the Postgres. I have stored my passwords in secrets. I have copied them. Now going to paste them in the SCT. Postgres is the username and this is the password. Test connection. Accept the rest. Yeah, connection successful. Click on connect. Click on accept risk. So target is configured. On the left side, you can find the SQL Server source. Expand the databases. Select the database you want to migrate. On the right side, you can find the Postgres target. Click on create mapping. Select the source and target. And now change the view from mapping to main view. Again on the left hand side, expand it and expand the databases and only select the database that you want to migrate. Only testDB is the database in this case. Load the schema, right click on it and load the schema, and then now click on create report. It will give a report. If there are any manual conversions needed, it will give the suggestions. In this case, it is green, like everything is good. No manual conversions needed. Now change the view to main view. Now select the database and right click on it, convert the schema and click on the S. It will load the data to target. Here if you expand the schemas and in the schema test DBO underscore DBO, expand the tables and you can see all the three table schemas are migrated from source to target. On the bottom you can find Postgres query and on the top you can find SQL query. So the SQL query is converted to Postgres here. Now if you want to load the schema in the target, right click on the database, apply to database. It is applying. It may take some time. Yeah, it is upgraded. Now I'm going to Postgres to check if schema is migrated. Here database is already created. Now I'm refreshing the database. Yeah, now yes, the schema is migrated, which is test db underscore dbo. Here tables. Yeah, tables are also migrated. The three tables, and also the table schema is migrated, but in small case, like uppercase is not migrated. Here you can see uppercase in the tables customer ID, first name, last name. That is not migrated. Let me check another table, orders table. Yeah, in orders table, the schema, order ID, customer ID, product ID. Let me check here in the Postgres, view data. Yes, the content is migrated, like schema is migrated, but it is not migrated in the uppercase, like as which the case it is. So for changing as it is, like considering the uppercase and lowercase, there are few settings we need to add using conversion settings, and also from mapping we can add few rules. Those are transformation rules that using that we can change the schema name, rename and add suffixes, convert the names to lowercase or uppercase. Such things you can find. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will explore more on conversion settings and transformation rules. Thank you.